Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I already have my brows done because I just filmed a quick little mini brow tutorial. Hopefully that will be going up soon, or it's already up depending on how the film came out, but you should be seeing that sometime soon. I'm not really sure what look I am going to do today, but my cheeks are kind of red right now, so I think I'm going to start with foundation and we'll just see where it goes from there. For today's foundation, I am going to be using the new Maybelline Dream Radiant foundation, and I'm going to be applying that using this Morphe M439. And I do want to say, for this foundation, it doesn't have any SPF in it, so if you do use this foundation, make sure to apply some SPF before, just to protect your skin. And I did run the foundation over my eyelids, so I am going to set my eyelids like always with some translucent powder. So for today's look, I think I'm just going to be using this Melt Cosmetics stack. This is the Baby Girl stack. Just because I have it sitting in front of me, and I'm going to start off with this shade right here. It's the second shade in the stack, and this is called Scamming. And I'm going to apply that using this Morphe 535, and I'm going to just run this all through my crease. Next, I'm going to be using this Morphe E36 to apply this last shade in the palette, which is called Breakup. And I'm going to apply that just right here in the outer V. And then I'm going to go back and forth with the first brush that I used, just to make sure that the two colors blend together seamlessly. And lastly, for the lid, I'm going to be using this really small shader brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a number, but it's just really small and flat. And I'm going to be applying this first shadow in the palette, which is called Hopeless Romantic. And I'm just going to be applying that right here on the inner corner, or inner first half of the lid, sort of carving out the crease, but without actually, using concealer and carving out the crease. I'm just going to be packing this shade on, since it is pretty glittery, to prevent as much fallout as I can. Next, I am going to be applying concealer, and today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm going to be blending that in with a beauty blender. Next, I am going to set my face using a translucent powder, and this same really large face brush that I've been using. I believe this is from Crown. And for the under eyes, I am going to be applying that darker shade, which is Breakup, right along the bottom lash line, and then I'm going to blend that out using the lighter shade we used, which I forgot is called Scamming. And I'm just applying that darker shade using this teeny tiny little Morphe brush. And I'm going to be using this e.l.f. crease brush to blend that out. And to finish the face, I'm going to first contour using this Morphe. This is the E4 brush, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I'm also going to add just a touch of this skin finish from MAC. This is in the shade Deep Dark, and I use this every day, so it's kind of hard for me not to use it. So I'm just going to add this to my cheeks using this really beat up Morphe brush. And for blush, I'm going to be using this brush right here, and I'm going to be mixing together these two shades from Alamad. This one is Seclusion, and this one is Isla. And for highlighter today, I am going to be using this one from Ofra Cosmetics. I don't have the name of it, but I feel like it was Peach or something like that. But I will find the name of it and list it down below if I can. And I'm also going to add that highlighter in my inner corner. And for lashes today, I am just going to throw on some mascara and add these Ardell Wispies. These are my favorite lashes. They're super cheap, and they're just super easy to apply. And lastly for lips, I'm going to just be throwing on a quick gloss. I'm going to be using this one from Dose of Colors. This is Over the Top. It's just a clear gloss with some gold reflex in it. I really enjoy throwing on a quick gloss like this, especially when I do sort of dramatic looks like this one. It just sort of helps tone it down. Also, I like to wear glosses just when I'm like trying to run out the door and I don't want to have to worry about lip liner and lipstick and all of that. So I would suggest trying out some glosses if you haven't. And that's it for this look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. My hair doesn't look too great right now, but there's not much I can do about it. If you did like this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe. I'm really trying to get as many subscribers as I can right now, so if you did like it, please make sure to subscribe or share this video if you really feel like it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.